Hello friends, welcome to Maths is Easy. So today we are doing linear equations in one variable of class 8. Let us do 7.1. So understand the whole chapter completely by watching the video series for your second term. So by end of this video, you will be able to understand how to solve linear equations using transposition and division method. So remain till the end of the video so that every concept is clear to you, solving each step of the equation so that no confusion is left for you. So let's not to waste further time. First, A part is given as tick mark the correct answer. The solution of the equation 4x minus 8 equal to 2x plus 6. So how to solve it? We have to do what? So in this first question, we have to pick the correct option. For picking up the correct option, we have to see how to solve the equation first. So 4x minus 8 equal to 2x plus 6. So 4x, bring this 2x from right hand side to left hand side and bring this 8 to from left hand side to right hand side. 4x minus 2x would be 2x, that is 614. X is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. So our answer is 7. I hope all the parts of equation, how to solve the equation is quite clear. Look at the solution of the equation. So first part having option C as its answer. So C the correct answer. We have to tick mark the correct answer. Now come to the second part. Second part is if 5z minus 3 minus 4z minus 2 is equal to 0, then value of z is. Here we will be solving each of the step. So 5, what is given to us? 5 z minus 3 minus 4 z minus 2. How to solve it? Multiply this with this. 5z minus 5 3 is 15 minus 4z plus 4 2 is 8 equal to 0. So here in our next step, 5z minus 4z would be z, and bring this 8 to the right hand side, that would be minus 8 and plus 15. So z will be coming out to be as positive 7. So here we can say that the option for second part equation is A part. Take the A part, 7. Let's move further. C part. So third part is given as 3y minus 4 equal to 4y plus 3. So how to solve it? See here, 3y minus 4 and 4y plus 3. 3y minus 4y equal to 3 plus 4. That would be equal to minus y, that is 7. So this negative will go to right hand side, minus 7. So answer of third part is which option? A option. Answer of third part is A option, that is minus 7. Hope the question is quite clear. Let's move fourth part. How to solve it? See it, 2y minus half equal to y minus half. How we will solve it? Please be considerate while solving it, so you will be able to understand each the step of solving the equation. Equal to 2y minus half. That will become 4y minus 1, 2y minus 1. So our answer would come as 4y minus 2y equal to 2y minus 1, and plus 1 will become 0. So our answer would be what? Our answer would become 0. So y would become 0. So here which option is given as 0? For the fourth part, C option is given as 0. So C is the answer. So for A, C part is the answer of first. A part is answer for second. A part again is answer for third. And for fourth part, C part 0 is the answer. Let's move further, solve the following equation. So here we are supposed to solve the equation Be considerate how to solve it so that no doubt will remain left to you. So bring this 3x to LHS. We all know that this side is called as LHS and this side is called as RHS. So bring 3x to LHS and this 4 to RHS. Here we have to write transposing. Here we have to write transposing 3x to LHS. Here we have to write and 4 to RHS. So 5x minus 3x, what will it become? So it will become 2x, of course. 10 minus 4 will become 6. 10 minus 4 will become 6. So our answer would be coming out to be as x is equal to 6 by 2. That is 2, 3 is 6. So here x is equal to 3 is our answer. Hope each step of the equation is quite clear. Let's move further. 5x minus 2 equal to 3x minus 4. How we will solve it? Just write. First step would be 5x minus 3x equal to minus 4 plus 2. Here we have to write transposing 3x to LHS and 2 to RHS. In our next step, we'll be writing what? In our next step, we'll be writing 5x minus 3x, 2x, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, x, bring this 2 to the right hand side and it will come into the division. Here it is getting multiplied with x. So here it will get divided. So minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is our answer. Here we have to write dividing both sides. Here we have to write dividing both sides. Dividing both sides by 2. Here we have to write dividing both sides by 2. Let's move further. Third part is given as 3x minus 4 equal to 2 within the bracket x minus 1. So first step would be we have to first multiply this 3x minus 4 equal to 2x minus 2. So 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 4. So here we will write transposing. Here we will write transposing 2x to LHS and 4 to RHS. So in our next step, we will solve it further. 3x minus 2x will become x and minus 2 plus 4 will become 2. So it will become x is equal to 2. Our answer would be x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 will be our answer. Come to the fourth part. Fourth part is 2x minus 3 equal to 3 plus 3 with outside the bracket, within the bracket is given as x plus 4. So started with 2x minus 3 equal to 1 plus multiply outside the bracket with the things given inside the bracket. So it will become 3x plus 3 fours are 12. Be considerate while doing each and every step. There are chances for mistakes here. So it will become 3x, 12 plus 1 will be plus 13. In our next step, we will be writing what? 2x minus 3x and 13 plus 3. Here we have to write transposing 3x to LHS and 3 to RHS. In our next step, we'll be writing minus x is equal to 16. So our answer will become x is equal to minus 16. This is our answer. Let's move further to the fifth part. Fifth part is given as 11 minus 3x is equal to 4, 2x minus 1 plus 7. How to do it? 11 minus 3x, multiply 4 with 2x and multiply 4 with this 1. So it will become 4 into 2x, 4 into 2 equal to 8x, minus 4 plus 7. In our next step, 11 minus 3x equal to 8x minus 4 plus 7 will become plus 3. So here minus 3x, so here minus 3x minus 8x equal to 3 minus 11. Right, transposing 8x to LHS and 11 to RHS. In our next step, we will solve the equation. Minus 8x and minus 3x will become minus 11x, and 3 minus 11 would become minus 8. Cancel the negatives from both the sides. So x will become 8 by 11. We will write dividing both sides by 11. Dividing both sides by 11. Let's move further. Sixth part. So x is equal to 8 by 11 is our answer. X is equal to 8 by 11 is our answer. Let's move further. Come to the sixth part. So first step for solving sixth part is 1 minus 3x equal to 7 minus 2 plus 2x. So how we will solve it? In our next step, we will be writing 1 minus 3x. 7 minus 2 will become 5 plus 2x. In our next step, we'll be writing minus 3x minus 2x equal to 5 minus 1. Here we will write transposing. Here we will write transposing 2x to LHS and 1 to RHS. And 1 to RHS. And 1 to RHS. In our next step, we'll be writing what? Minus 3x minus 2x will become minus 5x. 5 minus 1 will become 4. So our answer will become what? X is equal to minus 4 by 5. This is our answer. Here we will write dividing both sides. Here we will write dividing both sides. Here we will write dividing both sides by 5. Come to the next question. Seventh question. So seventh question, first step of solving the seventh question would be so how we will start seventh question? 8x plus 21 by 4 equal to 3x plus 7. In our next step, we will multiply both the sides by 4. So 4 8x plus 21 by 4 equal to 4 3x plus 7. Here we will write multiply both sides by 4. Here we will write multiply both sides by 4. So in our next step, we will write 32x plus 21, that is 12x plus 28. We have multiplied both the sides by 4. So after multiplying 32x plus 21 equal to 12x plus 28, we will be left with, so 32x minus 12x. We will bring this 12x to left hand side and this 21 to right hand side. 28 minus 21. So here we will write transposing. Here we will write transposing 12x to left hand side and 21 to right hand side and 21 to right hand side. So we will be left with what? 20x 32 minus 12. 20x is equal to 28 minus 21, 7. So our answer will become 7 by 20. So our answer will become 7 by 20. It was all about the questions, solving the equations till question number 7. Let's move further. Question number 8. So question number 8 is what? Question number 8 is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x plus 15 plus 3. So we will be starting our question with 2x by 3. Bring this 7x minus 15 to left hand side. 7x minus 50, 7x by 15 and 3, bring this 1 to right hand side. We will write so bring this 1 to right hand side. We will write transposing. We will write transposing 7x by 15 to left hand side and 1 to right hand side. So in our next step, we'll be writing what we will have. We will have the LCM. LCM 3 and 15 will be 15 only. Divide this 15 with 3, 5 and 5 multiply by 2 will be 10x. Again, divide this 15 with this 15, 1 and multiply 1 with 7x. 3 minus 1 would be 2. In our next step, 10x minus 7x would be 3x. 10x minus 7x would be 3x and this 15 will get multiplied. 15 will multiplied by 2 to the right hand side. So 3x 2 into 15 by 3. In our next step, x is equal to 3 5s and 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 10 will be our answer. For 8th question, x is equal to 10 will be our answer. Let's move further. 9th question. So 9th question is so first step for solving 9th question is 3x by 2 minus 5x would be 14 plus 7 by 2. We will write transposing. We have transposing. We will write transposing 5x to left hand side and 7 by 2 to right hand side. In our next step, we'll be writing 3x by 2 minus 5x. Have the LCM 2. Divide this 2 with this 2, 1, 3x. Again, divide this one with this 2, 2 5s are 10x. So it will become 3x minus 10x. Again, we take the LCM here also. So 2 multiply 1, divide this one with this 2, 2 and 14 2s are 28 plus 7. So we'll be left with 3x minus 10x equal to 28 plus 7. Dividing both the sides by 2. Here we will write dividing both the sides. Dividing both the sides by 2. I am solving each of the steps so that no confusion is left for you. So here 3x minus 10x will become minus 7x, and 28 plus 7 will be 35. So our answer would become x is equal to 35 by minus 7, that is minus 5. So our answer will be x is equal to minus 5. So our answer will be, for the ninth part, is x is equal to minus 5. Come to the 10th part. So 10th part is given as what? 4y equal to 2y minus 3 by 5. How to solve it? So first step would be 4y transports this 2y to left hand side, minus 3 by 5. 4y minus 2y will be 2y minus 3 by 5. Next step, y equal to minus 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So our answer would become what? Minus 3 by 10. This is our answer. So for 10th part, y is equal to minus 3 by 10 is our answer. For 10th part, y is equal to minus 3 by 10 is our answer. Hope all the questions I have done so far is quite clear. Still facing any type of doubt, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting to the comment box. So last question of the exercise is HOTS question. Let me tell you. Last question of the exercise is HOTS question. So be considerate while solving this HOTS question. So question is, find two numbers x and y such that x into y, comma, x divided by y and x plus y are equal. So how we will solve it? So first, whatever the conditions are given to us, we will write first those conditions. X into y, if we multiply x into y, that would be equal to, if we divide both the numbers x by y, that would be equal to if we add both the numbers. We will make this as 1. First equation. In our next step, we will take this 2. So we will write x into y equal to x by y. So this will become what? Y, x into y, and x by y by y. We will write multiplying both sides by 1. Multiplying both sides by 1. So in our next step, multiplying both the sides by 1. So in our next step, we'll be writing, it will become x into y square. If we multiply this, x into y square will be the answer, and this y will get cancelled with this x. So in our next step, we'll be writing what? So here we will be left with y square equal to x by x. This x will be in division when it reaches to the right hand side. So y square is equal to 1 means y would be under root 1. That is, we can say that y would be under root 1. So that one can also be positive and negative. Both the things are possible. Both the conditions are possible. So we will check it out. What condition is more appropriate? So we will write from 1. So we will write from 1. From the equation 1, we will take what? X into y, second condition, equal to x plus y. So we will write, if y equal to 1, then x into y means 1 and x plus 1. So it will become x equal to x plus 1. So we will write x equal to x plus 1 cannot be possible. We will write this equation is not possible. We will write this equation is not possible. We will write this equation is not possible for any value of x. For any value of x. Why? Because for any value of x. Why? Because x can never be equal to x plus 1. So the second condition, if y equal to minus 1, so put it into the equation x minus 1, that is x plus minus 1. So answer would be become minus x is equal to x minus 1. So solve it. Minus x and minus x is equal to minus 1 means minus 2x equal to minus 1. So x would be what? Minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. So x would be equal to 1 by 2. It can be possible. It is possible. So x is equal to 1 by 2 can be possible because x equal to x plus 1 cannot be possible. X equal to 1 by 2 can be possible. So we will write value of x and y. Value of x and y are 1 by 2 and value of x would be 1 by 2 and value of y would be minus 1 respectively. So it was all about the solution of HOTS question, that is question number 11. Be considerate. This type of questions are surely asked in the exam. So practices twice, thrice, or more than that so that you have command on these type of questions. So if you guys like my videos or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. In my upcoming videos, I'll be solving more of the questions of more of the exercises of linear equations. Thank you so much.